I don't know if any of you guys are like me and like airbrushing. I like airbrushing because I can make the material go a lot longer, but I don't always like paying $8.99 for a little bottle of paint. This is the airbrush compressor that I use off of eBay, and I use multiple different sizes of airbrushes. Got that one all torn apart for cleaning. I just used it yesterday and this morning. I like to be able to airbrush things, that way I can get nice colors and fades. They got a lot of stuff you're just not going to find in spray cans, and sometimes if you do find it in spray cans, you're paying out the ass for it. So today I have this Spaztic holographic color change aerosol paint that was 3.5 ounces in a can for like $8.99, and they also sell it in the airbrush ready stuff for $8.99 for 2 ounces. So I figured, you know, I could show you guys how to decant paint for the airbrush and stretch it out a lot further. Just going to be using pickle jar, this can of paint that sat in the freezer for about 10-15 minutes, and a can opener. Okay, once you got the can in a nice ventilated area and it's nice and chilled, you can go ahead and take your can opener, put it on the rim, sharp side onto the side, and stand back once you puncture it because it is under pressure. So go ahead, put this on there like so. I can get it to bite. Okay, and I'm going to puncture it. If I can get it to puncture, there we go. Let it slowly release out that pressure. You can kind of hear it. Let it do that for a few minutes, and then we can go ahead and continue with the can opener and take the top off. Once you hear it stop hissing, go ahead and continue to take it off. Don't do that. Once you have the lid open enough, you can go ahead and gently pour. Do it gently and make sure that you have a very clean and sterile jar, because it will want to foam up. Gently go ahead and dump it in there. And there you go, specialty paint ready to go into the airbrush. Thanks for watching. Alright, give you guys some footage of a fan blade that I had painted with holo. Here it is in the shade inside the house. And you can see the black and the red. I mean, it barely shows up. Wait till I show you it out in the sun. And here we go out in the sun. As you can see, that black backing really picks up specialty paint. And these are just some of the cool things you could do with it. And this is exactly why I like doing that and getting my own paints, because I like doing my own paint jobs. That, and I get to show you guys these cool vids. Hope this camera does that paint job justice. This is a damn GoPro. Okay, I wanted to reshoot this. I didn't feel like my last video did it justice. This is my fan blade that I had airbrushed. I went ahead and airbrushed holo onto it. Now in the sunlight, give you guys a little better view of what it looks like. Like I said, I don't think my last video did it justice. You can definitely see it looks better on the black than it does the red. You can hardly even tell it's on the red. It only works on black, you guys. But yep, just wanted to show you better video. Okay, this is the shifter knob I went ahead and done in that holo. You can kind of tell. When it's in the sun, it's a lot brighter. Fortunately, can't quite move the car out into the sun. So we'll have to use these halogen fluorescent T5 shop lights. What do you guys think? Kind of a glossy black gunmetal in the shade? It's to holographic in the sun. Guys like it or what? Let me know.